Class 8 Geography, Chapter 2 Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation, and Wildlife Resources. Inside this chapter, being discussed about the two different places. First place, it is a small village in Tanzania located in African continent where a girl, Mamba, early morning she used to wake up and go such a long distance for bringing water. It means where Mamba she used to stay, that area, people used to face problem of scarcity of water. So while coming back from there, it took some few hours also. While coming back, she used to help her mother in the house and joins her brother in take caring of their goods. All her family members having a piece of rocky land surface and a small hut. Mamba's father used to do such a hard work to do cultivate in that rocky land surface. Hardly he can grow maize and beans in that area. But this much food is not sufficient for Mamba's family to feed for the whole year. Another story is about Peter. Peter lives in the heart of a sheep rearing region in New Zealand, where his family runs a wool processing factory. Every day when he returns from the school, Peter watches his uncle taking care of their sheep. Their shipyard is situated on a wide grassy plain with hills in the far distance. It is managed in a scientific way using the latest technology. Peter's family also grows vegetables, though organic farming. When we had seen about the two different places, one where the Mambash used to stay in African continent and the other about the Peter. So these two different parts of this world where they both having the different lifestyle, and this all differences is just because of the difference in quality of land, soil, water, natural vegetation, animals, and the uses of technology. The availability of such resources is the main reason places differ from each other. Land is the much most important natural resource, and according to this land distribution, people used to stay. For example, when we are talking about the whole world, and when we will see inside this whole world according to this land surface, where how the population are distributed, so that place where the more populations are there, where the land surface is much more plain, where more land surface is fertile, where people easily can do agriculture, where the land is suitable to stay, it's a plain surface and it is much more developed, more communication is there, that area people used to stay. And the other place where which is unevenly distributed, just the reason is this, that area come under the mountain areas, or that it is not plain surface, or the water scarcity problems are there, or it is in coming under the desert areas, or thicky forests are there. So these all are the places where less populations are there. So the another topic is land use. Land is used for different purpose such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, and settling of industries. This is the commonly termed as land use. So land is used for the different purpose in different places. We can categorize the land on the basis of land ownership in two different types. One, private land, another community land. Private land is owned by individuals, that individual person having that land. For example, this land belongs to me, so this is only my land, so nobody else can do anything in my land. But the another is community land. Community land where a group of people having the same land, where they all work in that same land, and whatever the profit get they used to distribute among them. So this community land is owned by the community for common uses, for example for collection of fodder for fruits, nuts, or medicinal herbs. So these community lands are also called common property resources. As per we know that population is increasing day by day, but the land is remained the same. So the land surface is not increasing, but the population is increasing. And how the population is increasing, we need more land surface. And that's the reason today the vast changes in the land use pattern also reflect the cultural changes in our society. For example, like land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, deforestation are the major threats of the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and construction activities. So these are the main reasons that what happening after changing how the land is changing. Conservation of land resources. Growing population and the ever growing demand has led to a large scale destruction of forest cover and arable land and has created a fear of losing these natural resources. Therefore, the present rate of degradation of land must be checked. Afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers are checks on the overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve land resources. Thank you.